Hello, in this video we will discuss about the Down syndrome. So what is the Down syndrome? Basically the Down syndrome uh, is the abnormality in the chromosome. So the Down syndrome result when abnormal cell division involving the chromosome 21 occurs. So the basically the abnormality. So remember, in this way the abnormality or absence of the 21st chromosome. So in this way you can understand as well. So basically here you can see the extra partial or full 21 chromosome basically uh, involving. So in this way here you can see this is the genetic disorder or trisomy or aneuploidy it is known as. So let's begin to understand. Here is the male which that is produced, the reproductive system produce the gamete via a meiosis. So the non-disjunction will be occur. Non-disjunction in the spermatocyte with the both chromosome moving to one pole during the separation during the telophase. So in this way the 4 and will convert again the diploid and one extra chromosome due to the non-disjunction, and this is the meiosis 1. And in this way basically the 2 and the diploid and one absent chromosome formation. And in this way the second meiotic division will lead to produce the haploid gamete. This is known as spermatids, but it will convert spermatocyte will convert into the secondary spermatids will convert into the spermatocyte through spermatogenesis. So the one chromosome will absent. It means that 22 and one contain 24. So in this way the 21st chromosome involved for this process. So here you can see the gamete when it will be fertilized. So when it will be fertilized, so it means basically is the uh, uh, fertilization will lead to egg. If the fertilization will occur, so the 2n the from the egg from the female will produce the gamete. The ovum will fertilize to produce the diploid plus one extra chromosome, 21st chromosome. So on the other hand the absence can also occur. So that is the different things. So here is the causes we will discuss first. So first of all we will discuss about the normal meiosis. So this is the normal meiosis, the 46 chromosome containing 21st chromosome I am drawing just only will copy produce, and the meiosis 1 to separate this copy to again 46 the diploid, and the chromosome crossing over the chromatids for recombination will occur in this phase, the meiosis 1. After the meiosis 2 the haploid will produce normally it will 23. 23 mean 22 plus 1 sex chromosome, and the 22 is autosome which that again fertilize to become a 46 which that contain 2 sex chromosome. So anyhow, this is, you can understand, basically I am saying that this is basically one, but you can understand with these things basically is the absence of 21st chromosome. So in this way the causes here you can understand the primary and the familial non direct causes and the direct causes. So the meiotic non-disjunction is the one cause, and the second is the Robertsonian translocation. So in this way, the meiotic non-disjunction, first of all, we will learn. So the homologous chromosome, the pair fail to separate during the meiosis 1. And one cell get extra chromosome, one get none. So the one get extra and one get none. It means the 22 which that one and one contain the 24. So that is why the extra 21st chromosome will occur. But on the other hand, the Robertsonian translocation basically in this way that 14th chromosome and 21st chromosome involving to interchange, And this interchange mean the translocation. This is translocation mean the location will be changed from the chromatin. So here is the P arm will transmit to the Q arm site, and this Q arm site will transmit to the 14th chromosome. So the interchanging, and this is the basically interchanging to produce the Q arm in the 14th chromosome, and 21st chromosome contain PP arm. So for understanding better, you should need to understand this is the mechanism for the Robert's translocation. But the Robertsonian translocation is not show as much as possible to show the symptom, but it can be transmit genetically to their offspring and further going on. So let's begin to understand the sign and symptom. So what is the sign and symptom? Simple to understand. This basically is the obscuranted uh, palpebral fissure, and on the other hand, basically the upper eyelid containing area which that will be show the swelling, and the flat nasal bridge will be formed. The bridge flat nasal. On the other hand, the knuckle fold will be occur here, and the here is the hypotonia. Hypotonia mean unable to flex and relax muscle. So the widely separated the first and second twist, increased skin creases, and here is the hand. Basically the feet is the wide separated twist, and here is a single palmed flexure in the hand as well as the clinodactyly of fifth finger. So this is the basically sign and symptom, but basically symptom I am not explaining, but the symptom can be heart failure and the blood hypertension, and there is a lot of things, the low metabolism. So I am not describing. So let's begin to understand the treatment of the Down syndrome. So the therapy is the first, which that is the physical, speech, or occupational through a doctor or physician or therapist, physiotherapist or other person, or teacher. So assistive device, which that is basically the three-sided pencils are used, touch screen, the computer devices, and keyboard with the large letters. Because the unable to, this basically the symptom is basically the difficult to watching, and there is a lot of things. So the prescription is basically the recommendation of the medication like thyroid medication. The thyroid drug is basically used for the metabolism high if the metabolism will be low. So remember these things. On the other hand, the weakness and the basically the change the behavioral problem, the behavior will be changed. So in this way, if the surgery is the best option only for physical issue associated with the Down syndrome, for example heart, gastrointestinal defect, and other things. So thanks for watching. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. I am making more hand tutorial. You can watch another videos. Thanks for watching.